Hello viewers, today's video is going to be about continuing to organize my gun safe. In this video I'm going to be making these pistol hangers. What I will use to make these is the steel bar that I got at Home Depot. It's 3/16 inch in diameter, 48-inch length, and a bit of this silicone tubing, also with 3/16 inch inner diameter or inside diameter, 5/16 I believe outside diameter, that I got on Amazon. I'll be using a small file, a hammer, and a hacksaw to split the 48-inch length in half to make two hangers from each rod. Each of the rods came very much oiled, so I'll use some brake clean to clean off the oil from the rods. Make them a little bit easier to work with and less messy. Now I'm going to measure 24 inches or half of the rod, make a mark, and cut the rod in two. Here's 24 inches. Let's do some cutting. The very next thing I'm going to do, and the reason why I had a file, is to chamfer the ends. I'll put a slide chamfer on each of the ends of each of the rods. Grabbing the rod where the first bend is going to be. I'll apply pressure to the rod to start bending it, and then use the hammer to make a nice tight bend. As you can see, the bend is pretty tight. It looks good. Next thing, I'm going to repeat this process, lay it over my existing rod or hanger. Again, grab where I think the bend needs to be. And essentially repeat what I just did. If you're wondering why I'm putting in this step, the reason is that my shelves are supported by angle iron on the bottom, and that's what I'm having to do to basically go around that angle iron that's on the shelf. So that's why that step is there. It's overbent, so it'll grab onto the shelf better when I put it on. So that's it. Now I'm going to need to slip a piece or a length of this tubing over the end that will go inside the barrel. The way I'm going to put these onto my shelf is from the end of the shelf this way. I'm not going to try to slip over, because coming over that angle iron is going to be nearly impossible without unbending the hanger. So I'm just going to lift my shelf up on one side and put the put the hanger over from the end of the shelf. Also see that I changed the direction of the actual part of the hanger that goes into the barrel. So I offset it a little bit so that when these rods are on the shelf, the pistols are going to go in between these protrusions, so I don't hit them with the rear sight or something like that. So we'll see how it looks in the safe. Okay, from this position you can see that's the angle bar that I was talking about, and it's on both shelves. I'm gonna lift the shelf up, and through this opening, can you see it? Through here, from the side, I'm going to sneak my hangers in and get around the screw. That's one. Okay, that's two. Here's a CZ, pretty heavy gun. Find its muzzle. There it is. Here's a 1911, all steel, also pretty heavy gun. There's one of the heaviest guns I have. There's that. You can see they're all hanging very nicely. So it's super easy to make these hangers, and I'm going to continue doing that until I fill up pretty much all of the space that I have. So hope this helps you.